So hi everyone. In this video we will see a shell script using which we can automate export and import job on Linux, right, for the Oracle database. So let me show you that how we can do it. So this is the entire shell script, right? I've prepared this and let me explain one by one to everything, right? So you can see it will start with the Bing bash. We will use select, and inside we will give two options, export DP and import DP. Okay. So in case if the export DP is selected, it will ask us for user password, directory, dump file, schemas, tables, log file, exclude, include, show command, and quit, right? So one by one, in case statement, we will insert our commands. Okay. So like you can see, it will read the enter user password and it will store it inside the variables like user password, dump file, directories. Okay. So one by one, on each step, it will cover up all the codes required to execute the commands, right? So one by one, you can see read, enter schema, schema name, if. So it will work in this way. So if using the if tester, we will check for the condition whether they are true or not. Okay. And it will store the output, final output in this, right? This is the command variable, which is our global variable. Inside it, it will append each and every command. Okay. If you choose the options likewise, right? So one by one, it will work. You can see it will keep on going, right? Table, it will store the variable, the values inside the conditional statement. Okay. And the final result will be stored in the command variable. You can see one by one each of these. So in each option, there are commands and codes, right, to do the actions for that option. For example, reading the input from the user and storing the entire command inside the command variables. And likewise, it will show us the final result if we choose show command. So guys, this is a simple web page I had made with only by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay. So it will simulate a typing effect. Okay. You can see that one by one on each line it is typing by its own, right? I'm doing nothing. So it will be simulate a typing effect on the web page, right? Whatever UI inserted in the text area. So this way it works. So it automatically scroll up. It is automatically scroll down the page until the entire script has been typed on the web page. Okay. So in this way it will work. Whatever. Okay. Okay. Yeah, think about that. Let's lane this script. So right. Uh, right. Okay, I think the script has been completely typed. Okay, so you can see this is that. So let's go inside the terminal and let me show you that where is our script. Okay, so this is our shell script using which we can test our import and export job. Okay, so first of all, let me show you that if we choose first, right, it will provide us these options, right? So first we will give the username and password for the export DP work, right? Then we will provide the directory, okay? Directory in which we want to store our dump files. Then we will go for the dump file. So for example, I will provide export full DB, right? .dmp, right? Or you can choose %UER dump file. Okay, DMP, right? Then we will go for exclude. We don't want to include the statistics for the objects. Okay, so we will exclude the statistic. Okay, then we need a log file, right? So for log file, the option is 6. Okay, give the log file name full dv dot log, right? And then we can choose this option show command. For this, just type 9 and it will show you that how the command will look like, right? So you can see EXPDP system. Okay, this is the username and password. Directory we have use a dump directory, then the dump file which is export full db underscore %u. Then we can exclude. We want to exclude the statistics. Okay, it will make the dump file bulky if we added the statistics also. And then log file export underscore full db dot log. So this is how we can get the ready-made export db command. Okay, so this way guys we can use it. And for going to the for quitting this, we can use 10, right? And it will back us to the previous menu, right? Now we will go for the second option, import db, right? So again we will use the same. Give the username, password for the import db, then give the directory name which will be dump dir, then use the dump file name. So what we have given, taken, so this is our dump file name, right? So just copy it and paste it here. Now after dump file, after the dump files, you can take any of the options, right? For example, fourth, schemas. So tell number of schema you want to import, say 2. Enter the schema name. Okay, the first schema will be system. Second one is ggAdmin. Done. Then tell the table names. Okay, number of tables you want to include. I say 3, right? So first one Monday, second one is Tuesday, third one Wednesday, right? So these are only example. I am showing you. Tables are done. And then give the log file name. Okay, import full dv dot log, right? Then after log file, choose the exclude. Okay, so we have excluded statistic. You can exclude anything. Okay, then we will use the include option. So enter the number of tables you want to include. Say 2 tables. So the format should be schema dot table name, right? So schema is system dot Monday, system dot Tuesday, right? So these are we will include it, right? So after this, you can also remap the objects if you want. For that, you can choose the 10th option, right? Remap the objects. So inside the remap object, we will have 6 options. Okay. So we will go first with the remap schema. So enter the source schema, right? Sakri. Target schema, Pune, right? Then for second option, enter those remap the table, right? So for example, the format should be source schema dot source table. Okay. Sakri dot datta colony, right? Then the target schema, Pune dot year, right? So you can see this will be the output, right? Now after this remap table, we can go with the remap table space. Sakri table space. Okay. Sakri table space. Target schema, Pune table space, right? Target table space, right? Now after we will go with the fourth option. Remap data file. Okay. So data file would be Sakri 01.dbf. Target will be Pune 01.dbf, right? Data file also done. Now we will go with the fifth option, remap directory. So source directory is dump dir, target directory, data, pump, right? Now we can go with the partition. Choose the sixth option. So the format should be source schema, source table, source partition, right? Source schema, Sakri. The table name is colony, right? Then the source partition, colonies, right? So now for the target, okay, area. So this is done. Partition also done. Now you can go to the main menu. Okay. Now you can choose the show command. And guys, this is how our command in the end will be look like, right? So you can see this is our entire command. Import whatever we have given the input at the first, it will collectively shown us this command. Okay, so this is a ready-made command. Import dp. This is user, password, directory. Okay, I was just mistaken actually. A dump file is this. Schemas is this. These are the schemas. Tables, right? Log file. Exclude statistics. Then include table in. So these are the tables. So guys, this way we can get the idea about how to create a ready-made import and export command, right? So hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.